Hi, I just boiled water to show you how it works. Here's some minus. I don't like when I put the lowest mode and it still starts really tough. This is the lowest. This is the slowest mode, and it starts really not how expected, but it's really powerful blender.
Here's the finished product. Delicious. It mixes it fantastic. Oh my god. So easy, less struggle. I don't have to struggle like I do with the regular blender. And believe me, I've struggled. Wow. This is amazing. So easy. The cleanup is super freaking simple. For the most part, you know what I mean? It is a blender, right? You gotta clean it. Hope you enjoy this review. And it helps with your decision making. Cheers.
A very good ally, by the way, at the Maloney's was Bill Barr. They were in lockstep in their concern about what the former president was doing. So the committee told the president. Keep in mind another thing we all should be watching for in this Hydra-headed nightmare is the effort to seize the voting machines. Cipollone had a window into maybe 3 different ways the president considered seizing the machines. Cipollone had a front row seat to the meeting that led ultimately, let me retract, the meeting that ultimately ended with President Trump sending a tweet in the middle of